Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the violet roll cake recipe in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the original roll cake recipe and also violet sugar. You can get both of these from NPC tourists who only appears during rainy weather. And if you don't know how to find her yet, just check the tutorial link in the description to watch the tutorial. And then once you have the materials, just go to your house and then just tap on your stove and then just choose the original roll cake like this, and then just change the sugar ingredient on here. This one, just change it to violet sugar like this, and then next just simply tap on start cooking and just cooking the roll cake. And like this. After that, special animations will play like this. That means you have successfully unlocked the violet roll cake recipe. And okay, that's it. Pretty simple, right? And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.